नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to SCL Tech. If you are planning to purchase a home router or wondering what to do, so in this video I have got you. Today in this video I have got you a TP-Link 6C version 3 router. So today we will see its unboxing and let's see whether you should purchase it or not. So let's see. So first of all, thank you Flipkart for packing this in paper so that we save some plastics. So when here is our so this is our router. As you can see, it's here it is written world's number one. The front side is this 3D router image. You can see here 5 gigahertz band pay, you got 867 Mbps, and at 2.4 gigahertz you got 3 Mbps. This has advanced security with WPA3 protection and supports smart roaming. So coming to the back side, as you can see here, its features have written like one mesh, flexibility, create a whole home Wi-Fi. Second is you can see the back cover image as we are going to see, and this new feature, that is mu-mimo. This technology serves multiple devices at once, reducing the wait time and increasing the Wi-Fi throughput. So we will all see that. Let's unbox it. On the left side you can see the features of these routers. You can pause this video and you can read all these things. I will go in detail later because right now you will get bored, so make sure you will watch till the end. So here it is nothing, so let's start.
क्या अनबॉक्सिंग हो रही है
यार? अनबॉक्सिंग तो ज़्यादा नहीं आता है। हाँ लगा ना, ये रोक चलेगा ना, फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में बीच में तुम भी रोक देना, लेकिन काम खत्म। ओके, तो अभी जो नंबर वो ना तो वहीं वहाँ पे देखो।
तो मेरा सामान दिखाओ।
So we will put this outside. So as you can see, we have got an egg carrot, so that it will not damage our router, so it's good thing. So in the box you will got first of all this power cable, okay, and our main router. So this router and some manuals, quick installation guide. Okay, don't worry, I will coming I will tell you how to set up it. And one Ethernet cable. Its category is Cat 5E. It is given Cat 5E Ethernet cable, so it's good. We'll do this side and we will come to our main router section. So let's put this out on this plastic cable. So here, so this is our router. As you can see, its front side is this router has a very unique build quality, this texture which gives it a very premium look. Here is the branding of TP-Link, and its very build quality is very good, and the design is also good. And as you can see, the antennas, it can also rotate this side this way, so it's really good looking. Okay, now coming to the front, it's all the LEDs and the symbols, very small size they have, but not a problem. Now coming to the main part of the router, that is the back side of this router. Okay, so in the back side of the router you got this power cable, this WAN cable, so that WAN connection comes here, and 4 Ethernet cable. You got a small hole that is for reset buttons, for the reset purpose, and one WPS key. Okay, so now we have unboxed it. Let's come to the desktop screen and we will set up this so that we can use this router in our home. We will see the speed also at 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz speed. So let's so as you can see, we have the plug our power out source in the back side of the router, and its length is around 1 meter. Okay, so you can probably assume if you put it at your desktop how long it will cover. Okay. This is the length of the power cable. Now we will power on the router and we will set up so that you can use it. Let's power on it, and as you can see, lights are blinking for the first time. It will take 1 minute to boot this router. Usually it take 1 minute, and you can see the beauty. Okay, now we will come to our laptop screen and let's check the Wi-Fi. So in the back panel of this router, as you can see here, model is Archer C6, and you can see here this wireless SSID TP-Links 8414 and TP-Link 8414 5 GHz. So when you power on this first time to set up the router, you can also set up wirelessly. So when you power on this, network will come, and the password is here written. Maybe in your case it is different. In my case this is okay. So let's set up this. So guys, we have connect this our laptop with this router. As you can see here, it is connected with our Wi-Fi network. Okay, so as you can see, TP-Link is connected but no internet access. So now what you have to do next to set up this router, first you got to know the IP address. Click on search, type CMD. So this will open the command prompt. Here you can type ipconfig, okay, and press enter. So there you have to got default gateway, that is 192.168.0.1 in my case. So you have to enter this numbers at your web browser. So we will copy this, enter, and we will paste in our browser. So you can opt for any browser which you want. Here Control V and press enter. So as you can see in your front of this, our TP-Link homepage setup page is here. Now the next step is to create an administrator password to manage our router. Okay, so you can select your password. The other option by which you can set up your this is, you can also set up from a store application. So in the next video I will make a dedicated video how you can set up your home TP-Link router from your Android or iOS device. So that's for the next video. For now, let's continue. So let's get started. So our admin password is saved. You will not share this to anyone. Okay, so now for the first time it is asking, welcome to the TP-Link C6 router, please enter your password for login. Okay, so we have logged in our dashboard. You can see here, you can opt for never save these passwords. So as you can see, first of all we will select the time zone. So we are in +5:30 India, so we will select that. Okay, so that's not the big problem. Okay, so after selecting this, click on next. The one thing where we will all stuck is here. So you need to choose which connection type you have, okay, from your ISP. So that's the beauty of this TP-Link router, that if you don't know what it is, you can click on the auto detect option. So it will automatically detect which connection type you have. So when you click on auto detect, there is one problem. Okay, So that's the problem. As you can see, WAN port is unplugged. Okay, so what I have missing is our internet line is not connected to the router. Okay, so first of all, connect the WAN port to the router. Okay, so in my case I have ISP from Airtel. So whether you have Airtel or Geo, as you can see, this fiber optic cable is coming, and I have this Airtel Extreme router. In my case, you may have Geo also. So what you have to do, I am just extending it. So one, you insert one Ethernet port in LAN port, and the other end will go to your router WAN port. Okay, so you have remembered in earlier section I have shown you the WAN port. So the other next end of Ethernet cable will go in the WAN port, and when you insert the WAN port in the router, now it will automatically detect your connection type. Once again, click on the connection type, auto detect, and when you click on that, now you will able to access the internet from your new TP-Link router. As you can see in my case, my dashboard, you can see internet is okay, and now I am able to access the internet. So if you have still any problem, you can comment down if you are not sure what you have to do, but that is the scene. You need to insert the WAN port. Now what we will do, now we will test the internet speed at 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bandwidth, and that will be the it. Okay, so let's do 40 Mbps plan, and as you can see it is 31 Mbps download speed, and this is the report. You can see latency is 78 millisecond, so it's quite fast. And now we will check the last test, its Wi-Fi range. Okay, so now we are outside our the room in which router is placed, and as you can see right now it's 4 or 5 network are coming, but the speed has reduced. Okay, so you can assume how much you will get outside, and when you are close to your Wi-Fi you will get. So that's the thing, we are getting 14 Mbps. So this is the video. We have seen the setup, from setup to unboxing. We have seen all these things. If you have any problem, you can comment down. You can also comment which network name you have given. Okay, so this is the it. If you want to purchase a home router for your home purpose under 3K, so this is awesome router you can go for. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. You can subscribe SCL Tech for more networking and in particular videos on TP-Link. If you have purchased, you can comment down, yes, I have also purchased this TP-Link. So if you are not purchased and want planning to purchase a router, here is the shopping link in the description. You can purchase from my link so that I also get some benefit. Support. Thank you so much. We will see in next video. Thank you very much.